Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be filming a video of me decorating my Christmas tree. It will be going in this corner right here. But before we get into the video, I would like to say thank you to my returning subscribers. I greatly appreciate your support. And to the new viewers, I would like to say thank you for watching my video. Please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Do not forget to subscribe. I will greatly appreciate it. You'll be notified every time I post videos like this. And also as well, most of the items that I will be using I cannot link. I will try to link as much as possible. I picked up my decor from Target, Dollar Tree, Aldi's, and a little bit from Walmart. So what I can find I will put in the link below for you. And as well as my Christmas tree, I got it from Wayfair last year and the brand is Costway. I will try to link that for you if I can. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy.